Kali Linux. Go to the Nmap download page, link in description. Find Zenmap GUI and click on the link to download. After download is finished, open terminal. Redirect to Downloads folder, using Command CD Downloads. You will see we have the Zenmap file here. We need to change the format from .rpm to .deb. To convert, we need to install a tool called Alien. Type sudo apt install alien-y. After installing the tool, type sudo alien and the file name, or you can type zen and press tab. This will generate a file with .deb format. To install, type sudo dpkg-i, and the name of the file, or press tab, after typing zen. The installation is completed. Type sudo zenmap to start Zenmap with root access. Or you can open Zenmap from left top corner, choose Zenmap as root, and enter the password.